Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make carrot juice and mix a little bit of celery. I have this small machine. This is a juicer, and there's my carrot and celery. I will start doing it. I forgot to tell you guys is you don't have to peel the carrots. You just and cut the heads off here, and then just keep putting there in the hole here. This one here. You have little bit there, so I just keep doing it. My juicer is it's small, so I have to cut the big carrots so that it'll fit. Start doing it. Now I will add the celery. I will add 2 more celery stick so that the color is not quite there yet. I will take this out. There's my celery and carrot juice. I will mix this up. Smells good. Transfer this in a cup. There they are. Wanna taste it? Wow. It is very tasty. I really like it. My very first time making carrot juice and mixed with celery. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comments. Bye-bye.